Motorway tolls and vignettes based on class of vehicle, LEZ schemes, and CO2 emission performance standards are common methods of creating more sustainable transport. But we can go beyond this. How can we create a greener tolling infrastructure? Enforcement systems have major impact on the green footprint of tolling systems. This requires ongoing optimization and innovation.
Back then in 2000, any tolling system required extensive infrastructure. Even up to 3 gantries were required to cover a single spot. Vitronic was the first company that was able to reduce this extensive amount of infrastructure and put all the hardware components on one single gantry. And this created a completely new quality in the tolling enforcement area.
Latest technology is part of the next step to green tolling.
Intelligent infrastructure means less components, fewer materials, cleaner environment, and less CO2 emission.
The benefits are feasible and are emerging further today. It doesn't stop at hardware reduction, but integrates state-of-the-art software for the greener footprint of the technology.
Right. Using artificial intelligence allows to capture toll enforcement data just using cameras compared to a lot of sensors which were needed some 20 years ago, for example. This allows to reduce the amount of equipment needed, and in addition to that, the AI-based cameras can also capture additional information which can be used for other traffic use cases, like for example the generation of traffic data.
Creating a greener tolling starts now.